Hello, bread enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of artisanal baking with the Kook Proofing Set, an essential kit for crafting perfect sourdough bread. This complete baking set features two 9-inch round banneton baskets made from durable brown rattan, designed to withstand the test of time. With two basket covers, a metal scraper, a plastic scraper, a scoring lane, and 5 blades with a convenient case, you'll have everything you need to elevate your baking game. The sleek, modern style of this set seamlessly complements any kitchen decor, while the round shape ensures easy storage and portability. Plus, the open-top closure design allows for quick access to your tools, keeping them secure yet ready for action. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting out, this kit is your ticket to consistently beautiful, delicious bread. So, roll up your sleeves and get ready to create bakery-quality loaves right in your own kitchen. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.